I'm unfortunately ungifted in the physiognomical area. I go around most of the time with a face like thunder, but it doesn't necessarily affect my inner happiness. So
you weren't happy about that, though, were you?
I haven't commented on it at all, despite all the bits and pieces that I keep reading about what it is I'm supposed to be thinking and all the rest. I haven't commented on it. The woman told me that she felt it was time to let younger generation through, and that took about 20 seconds at the time. When I didn't discuss it before that with her, and I haven't discussed it with her since, nor have I commented on it, other than I was asked at the time, on the day, face like thunder or otherwise, and I was asked, why do you think you've been excluded from the cabinet? And I said, for reasons of age and chemistry, and that's the only comment I've ever made on it.